Welcome to AI Millionaire Movement. In today's digital landscape, the fusion of artificial intelligence and blogging presents an exciting opportunity for aspiring content creators. This video will guide you through the essential steps to build an AI-powered blog that not only captivates readers but also generates passive income. We'll explore the tools and strategies that harness AI technology, making content creation easier and more efficient. From selecting the right niche to optimizing your blog for search engines, we'll cover it all. Get ready to unlock the potential of AI in your blogging journey, transforming your passion into a sustainable income stream. Join us as we dive into the world of AI-driven blogging and discover how you can start earning today. If you find this video helpful, please take a moment to subscribe to AI Millionaire Movement and hit the like button. Also, don't forget to turn on notifications so you'll be the first to get the latest AI strategies and insights. Your support allows us to keep bringing you valuable content to help you succeed in the fast-growing world of AI. Step 1. Identify your niche and target audience. The first step in building your AI-powered blog is to identify a niche that resonates with your interests and expertise. Research popular blogging niches such as personal finance, health and wellness, or travel, and consider what excites you the most. Once you've chosen a niche, define your target audience by understanding their demographics, preferences, and pain points. This will help you tailor your content to meet their needs effectively. Additionally, analyze your competitors to identify gaps in the market. Look for topics they may have overlooked or areas where you can provide a unique perspective. By honing in on your niche and audience, you'll set a solid foundation for your blog, ensuring it stands out in a crowded digital space. Step 2. Choose the right blogging platform. Selecting the right blogging platform is crucial for your AI-powered blog's success. Evaluate popular options like WordPress, Wix, and Medium, focusing on their capabilities for AI integration. WordPress, for instance, offers numerous plugins that enhance functionality and streamline content creation. Consider ease of use, as a user-friendly interface will help you focus on content rather than technical challenges. Customization options are also important. Choose a platform that allows you to create a unique look and feel for your blog. Additionally, ensure the platform has strong SEO capabilities to help your content rank higher in search results. Finally, select a platform that supports monetization features, enabling you to turn your passion into a profitable venture. This choice will set the stage for your blogging journey. Step 3. Integrate AI tools for content creation. Integrating AI tools into your blogging process can significantly enhance your content creation efforts. Start by exploring AI writing assistants like Jasper or Copy.ai, which can help generate ideas and even draft articles, saving you valuable time. These tools can provide inspiration and streamline your writing process, allowing you to focus on refining your unique voice. Additionally, utilize AI tools for SEO optimization, such as Surfer SEO, to ensure your content ranks well in search engines. These tools analyze top-performing articles and suggest improvements to enhance your visibility. Finally, incorporate AI-driven analytics tools to track your blog's performance. By monitoring key metrics, you can make data-driven decisions to improve your content strategy and maximize engagement, ultimately driving more traffic to your blog. Step 4. Create high-quality, engaging content. Creating high-quality, engaging content is essential for attracting and retaining readers on your AI-powered blog. Focus on providing value to your audience by crafting informative posts that address their needs and interests. Research trending topics within your niche and offer unique insights or solutions. To enhance engagement, incorporate visuals and multimedia elements such as images, infographics, and videos. These elements not only break up text but also make your content more appealing and easier to digest. Additionally, maintaining a consistent posting schedule is crucial for building readership. Regular updates keep your audience coming back for more and help establish your blog as a reliable source of information. By prioritizing quality and consistency, you'll foster a loyal community around your blog. Step 5. Monetize your blog effectively. Monetizing your blog effectively is key to turning your passion into a sustainable income stream. Start by exploring affiliate marketing opportunities that align with your niche. Partnering with brands allows you to earn commissions by promoting their products or services to your audience. Additionally, consider ad placements through Google AdSense or sponsored posts, which can provide a steady revenue source as your traffic grows. These ads can be strategically placed within your content to maximize visibility without disrupting the reader experience. Furthermore, offering digital products or services, such as ebooks, online courses, or consulting, can generate passive income while providing value to your audience. By diversifying your income streams, you'll create a robust monetization strategy that supports your blogging journey. Step 6. Promote your blog and grow your audience. Promoting your blog effectively is essential for expanding your audience and increasing engagement. Start by utilizing social media platforms like Facebook, Twitter, and Instagram to share your content and connect with potential readers. Tailor your posts to each platform to maximize reach and engagement. Engaging with your audience is equally important. Respond to comments and emails to build relationships and foster a sense of community. This interaction encourages readers to return and share your content. Additionally, consider collaborating with other bloggers or influencers in your niche. Guest posts, joint webinars, or social media takeovers can introduce your blog to new audiences and enhance your credibility. By actively promoting your blog and engaging with your audience, you'll create a thriving online presence that drives growth. In this video, we explored the essential steps to build an AI-powered blog and earn passive income. We emphasized the importance of selecting the right niche and understanding your target audience, as this foundation is crucial for success. Integrating AI tools for content creation can streamline your process and enhance your blog's quality. We also discussed the significance of creating engaging content and effective monetization strategies to turn your passion into profit. Now is the time to take action and embark on your blogging journey. Don't forget to subscribe, like, and share this video for more valuable content. Your journey into the world of AI-driven blogging awaits, and we're excited to support you every step of the way.